going on, everybody? We got the Jeep in the shop today. We're gonna be doing a track bar install. The one I have is a Skyjacker high mount relocated track bar, and it's a piece of shit. It mounts up where the usual, let me show you. All right, so as y'all can kind of see, the stock track bar location is here. This relocation kit moves it to up top up here. So I'm gonna get rid of that. I'm gonna do it like a normal person, and I'm gonna fucking, you know, mount the sway bar like that. All right, we're gonna get rid of that little spacer bracket bullshit. Put it in right. Put the steering stabilizer back right there, where that little hex is, and move the track bar to the stock location again. I just think that's a better spot overall, you know. So I'm gonna go ahead and get to it. Pretty much, I'm gonna start the time lapse. All right, everybody, so we got this all mounted up down here, and we got the shock back where it's supposed to be, and then we drilled out the hole to 5/8. It's a little sloppy, if I'm being honest. I don't know what I'm gonna do about that. I don't think I really can do anything about that, but I don't really know why it's sloppy either. But I tightened it up. It's not wiggling at all, so hopefully it's good. Next up, gotta see if it's straight and tighten up those jam nuts, and that's gonna be it. All right, I'm gonna crank it up. Wheels do a little bit back and forth. Put the wheels straight and see where she's at. Seems to have gone right. Let you guys watch it. Yeah, I can see what's going on down here. All right, so after going for a drive, we have a fair bit of torque steer. So basically, when I step on it, it pulls one direction, let off, clutch in, whatever, or engine brake or brake, it goes the other direction. So I read some forums, and I wish I would have read them earlier. Due to the fact that I didn't even notice, we have a dropped pitman arm. My track bar and drag link are not parallel anymore. That's what the relocation bracket was for, but I hated that design. So guess what? I'm going to a non-dropped stock pitman arm, and I might be getting a different Y-link for the tie rods. So this video is going to be on a little hold before I get that. I'm gonna look into a Curry system and see how much all that costs and all that. But the track bar is pretty good. It doesn't flex or anything like it says in some people's comments. Oh, it bends while I drive. They probably have a drop pitman arm and they think it's bending because of the torque steer. No, from what I can tell, it's sturdier than the fucking stock tie rod. I mean, I can literally grab the tie rod. Watch. I can literally grab the tie rod and move it. Look at this. Versus the... Oh, is it loose? I think it's loose. I don't need to tighten it. But you see what I mean. Alright, gave it a tighten. The bushing sat on the axle a little loose, so tightened it up. It's good. I'll resume this whenever I get the Pitman arm in. Nobody in town even carries it in stock anymore, which is surprising for a 97 or a 98. Sorry, a 98. They don't even carry it in stock, so I don't know. I gotta order it. All right, everybody. It's been a couple of days, and our shocks came in. Still waiting on my Pitman arm, but our shocks came in, and our front bumper came in. Check this out. It's one of those Barricade Trail Forces. It's pretty cool. I like it. I like it. It should look good. It should look better than my current bumper. So yeah, we're gonna get to work on these shocks and the bumper. We set up the time lapse. All right, everybody, got the shocks changed. As you see, time lapse might have been cut a little short, but I went and took it around the field. Oh my freaking god, it is so much better. You're not all bouncing around like a basketball. It's fucking great. It has shocks again. These are done. I mean, look, I can push it down with one fucking hand. Watch this. Yeah, and I'm not even putting all my weight into it. I'm really not. It's they're pretty blown. So those are going straight in the garbage. They look pretty good in there. Tell you that. Look pretty shiny. Up in that. Yeah. Bilsteins. Let's go. The same 5100 series that it had before. It's a different part number. They're a little stiffer. Probably just because they're new, not worn out like these. These are probably from 2007, if I'm being honest. But yeah, next up is the bumper. Let's go ahead and try and figure out what to do with that. Alright guys, so we got the bumper on. Let's fire it up. Right? Hell yeah! That shit looks sick. Look at this. Oh, what? Once we get that Pitman on, we're good. It's gonna be LS Jeep 2.0 after that. That shit's gonna be so nice. I'm hyped.